Hey everyone, and welcome to Chirmiri. This quaint town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's like a hidden treasure in the heart of India. Nestled amidst lush greenery, Chirmiri offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Tucked away in the beautiful green state of Chhattisgarh, Chirmiri is surrounded by rolling hills and clear streams. The natural beauty here is simply breathtaking, with every corner offering a picturesque view. It's a mix of amazing nature and important industry with nice weather and friendly people. The town's coal mines are a significant part of its identity, blending seamlessly with the surrounding natural beauty. This town is full of history and culture, and it's ready for you to explore. From ancient temples to colonial-era buildings, Chirmiri's rich heritage is evident in its architecture and local traditions. The weather is great all year round. Warm, happy summers and cool, comfy winters. Each season brings its own charm, making Chirmiri a delightful destination no matter when you visit. Experience. Coal is a big deal in Chirmiri. This small town in the heart of India has a rich history deeply intertwined with coal mining. The discovery of coal here transformed Chirmiri from a quiet, unassuming place into a bustling hub of activity. It's like the town's main story. Everywhere you look, you can see the influence of coal mining, from the infrastructure to the local businesses. Everything seems to revolve around coal. They found tons of coal here, which is sometimes called black diamonds due to its immense value. The extraction of these black diamonds has been the lifeblood of Chirmiri for decades, and that's what made Chirmiri what it is today. The town's history is rich with stories of how coal mining shaped its development and growth. Coal mining has been super important for the town's economy, giving jobs to lots of people for many years. Generations of families have worked in the mines, passing down their skills and knowledge. There are some really big coal mines here that help power all of India. The coal extracted from Chirmiri is used in power plants across the country, providing energy to millions of homes and businesses. You'll see and hear the big machines and all the mining activity. It's part of Chirmiri's identity. The constant hum of machinery and the sight of coal-laden trucks are everyday scenes here. Coal has been good and bad for Chirmiri. While it has brought economic prosperity, it has also introduced challenges. It's helped the economy grow, but it's also caused some problems for the environment and the people who live here. Pollution from the mines has affected the air and water quality, leading to health issues for the residents. The landscape has also been altered, with large areas of land being dug up and left barren. However, the community is resilient. There are ongoing efforts to mitigate the environmental impact and improve living conditions. Local organizations and the government are working together to find sustainable solutions. The future of Chirmiri depends on balancing the benefits of coal mining with the need to protect the environment and the health of its people. With continued effort and innovation, Chirmiri hopes to create a sustainable future where both the economy and the environment can thrive. Chirmiri is like a big mix of different cultures and traditions. Nestled in the heart of India, this town is a living example of unity and diversity. As you walk through its bustling streets, you can feel the vibrant energy that comes from the blend of various cultural influences. People have come here from all over India, bringing their own special ways of life. Each person adds a unique thread to the rich tapestry of Chirmiri. From the colourful saris of the women to the traditional turbans of the men, the diversity is visible everywhere you look. You can see this mix in Chirmiri's fun festivals, yummy food and welcoming people. The town comes alive during festivals, with streets adorned with lights and decorations. Street food vendors offer a variety of delicious treats, each with a story of its own, reflecting the diverse culinary traditions of the region. Everyone in Chirmiri is super friendly and loves to celebrate. The locals are always ready to share their joy and traditions with visitors. Whether it's a small family gathering or a large public festival, the spirit of togetherness is always present. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Durga Puja are huge celebrations with lots of color and excitement. Diwali lights up the night sky with fireworks, Holi fills the air with vibrant colors, and Durga Puja brings the community together to honor the goddess Durga with elaborate idols and rituals. People from all different religions live together peacefully in Chirmiri. You'll see temples, mosques, and churches all around. This harmonious coexistence is a testament to the town's inclusive spirit. It's common to see people of different faiths participating in each other's festivals and celebrations, fostering a sense of mutual respect and understanding. This mix of cultures makes Chirmiri a really interesting place to visit. Tourists are often fascinated by the local cultural performances and dances that showcase the town's rich heritage. Each performance tells a story, offering a glimpse into the traditions and history of the people. It shows that even though we're all different, we're also all connected. The community gatherings in Chirmiri are a beautiful reminder that diversity is not just about differences, but also about the connections that bind us together. In Chirmiri, you'll find a true celebration of humanity's shared spirit. Chirmiri has a lot more than just coal mines. It's surrounded by beautiful nature-thick forests, waterfalls, and peaceful lakes. If you love nature, Chirmiri is perfect for you. The Koriya Wildlife Sanctuary is a must-see. It's full of amazing animals and plants like tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. If you like birds, this is a great place for birdwatching too. If you just want to relax, check out the waterfalls and lakes. The sound of the water and the cool breeze will make you feel great. Whether you want adventure or peace, Chirmiri's nature is awesome. Getting to Chirmiri is easy because it's connected by trains and roads. The Chirmiri railway station connects to big cities in Chhattisgarh and nearby states. There are also regular buses from nearby towns. If you're flying, the closest airport is Swami Vivekananda Airport in Raipur, Chhattisgarh's capital city. From there you can take a taxi or bus to Chirmiri. Once you're in town, auto rickshaws and cycle rickshaws are everywhere. No matter how you travel, getting to and around Chirmiri is simple. Coal mining has been good for Chirmiri's economy, but it's also caused some problems. Pollution in the air and water is a big worry for people living there. Cutting down trees for mining has also hurt the environment. And since Chirmiri depends so much on coal, changes in the coal industry can be a problem for the town. Fixing these problems will take lots of work, like making mining safer for the environment, using other energy sources, and finding new kinds of jobs for people. Chirmiri needs to find a way to keep its economy strong while also protecting the environment and its people. Chirmiri shows how strong people can be and how amazing nature is. Even with its problems, the town is still doing well. The friendly people, the interesting culture, and the beautiful nature make Chirmiri a really special place. When you see the waterfalls, the wildlife, and learn about the coal mining history, you'll see that Chirmiri is more than just a mining town. It's a place where history, culture, and nature all come together. So come and explore the hidden treasure of Chirmiri. See its special charm, learn about its challenges, and celebrate its strength.